It's time!
What if there were no clouds?
No problem. I have my magic carpet.
Firstly, without any clouds, sunsets would no longer look spectacular. Secondly, without any clouds, there would be no way to redistribute fresh water from one place to another. Why? Because no clouds means no rains. Eventually, all the water present on Earth would evaporate and our Earth would begin to look like Mars, dry and barren. Thirdly, temperatures would suddenly rise during daytime and drop at night. Why? This is because clouds help regulate temperature. As clouds are generally white in color, they reflect a good amount of sunlight, thus helping keep our day temperatures down. But at the same time, at night, they don't allow all the heat reflected from Earth to escape, thus not allowing our nights to get too cold.